Hello friends, welcome to another practice question of quadratic equations. This is the 13th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous 12 videos along with all the theory that has been uploaded. This question was asked in the CBSE examinations of 2004. A very simple question if you know how to factorize really well. Okay, so this is the equation. We have to solve it via factorization. Now we actually have to find two terms, P and Q, such that the product of P and Q, that is P multiplied by Q, is equal to 4 times of A to the power of 4 minus B to the power of 4. And we have to find P and Q such that P plus Q is equal to minus of 4A square. Now this is actually very simple because I know that if I take 2 times of A square plus B square and I multiply it with 2 times of A square minus B square, I get this, which is 4 times of A to the power 4 minus B to the power 4. And if I want to get minus of 4A square, I just have to change this sign to minus, and I change this sign to minus. Now if I add these terms, what I get is minus of 2A square minus of 2B square minus of 2A square plus of 2B square. Okay, I'm just adding these terms. What happens is 2B square and 2B square gets cancelled, and what I get is minus of 4A square. This is exactly what I wanted. So my P is equal to minus of 2A square plus B square, and my Q is minus of 2A square minus B square. And what I'll do is I'll write minus of 4A square x as P of x plus Q of x, which is I am factorizing by splitting the middle term. So what my equation actually becomes now is 4 times of x square minus of, now rather than writing it as 4a square x, I am writing it as minus of 2a square plus b square multiplied by x minus of 2a square minus b square into x plus a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4 equal to 0. What this becomes equal to is I can take 2x out of 2x common out of the first two terms, so it becomes 2x multiplied by 2x minus a square plus b square, and if I take minus of a square minus b square common, I am left with 2x minus a square plus b square. This is equal to 0, and this becomes equal to, I take this whole term common out, so I get 2x minus a square plus b square multiplied by 2x minus a square minus b square, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now to solve this question, all I have to do is equate this part to 0. When I equate this part to 0 and this part to 0 separately, what I get is 2x equal to a square plus b square, and on equating this part to 0 I get 2x is equal to a square minus b square, and this implies x is equal to a square plus b square upon 2, and this becomes equal to x equal to a square minus b square by 2. And this, my friends, is the solution to the question. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.